This is the JEGS Weatherproof Starter Kit 232, which makes weatherproof connections. So it comes with an assortment of types of connectors. We're going to be making up just a single connector. So it's male and female. It's got these rubber bits, so it'll be watertight when it's all said and done. We also have 3-place connectors, 4-place side by side, 4-place stacked, double connectors. You get the idea. So if you buy this kit, I really suggest that you get a pair of these, which are sized for these metal connectors. This is actually the biggest one in there. I don't know what this part number is, but it was when I ordered this, it said, you might want to buy these. I've done these using just a pair of pliers, and it is a giant pain. So if you're going to do any kind of work with these on any regularity, definitely buy the crimpers. So this is my wire. I used a pair of wire strippers just to strip off, about a 1/4 inch. There are 3 sizes of these rubber slip overs. This is the biggest one. This is the medium sized one, and they got one that's smaller. So you want one that's going to be snug on the line so it's waterproof. Then the metal tines are male and female, so you want to make sure you make up one of each. And then, one thing I found makes this a lot easier. You take a pair of needle nose, and these are the tines that crimp the wire itself. From the factory, they're kind of V'd, so I just squeezed them enough so that they're basically perpendicular to each other. I'm going to feed the wire in. This end piece is to clamp the wire, so you just want to feed that till the insulation is level with the ends of the crimping ones. So it goes in here. Tines go into the bottom of the V. And slide it in. Make sure it's in and squeeze. You can see it does a really nice job of bending those over. Way better than I could ever done by hand. So I usually like to just, I'm a belt and suspenders kind of guy. Make sure they're snug. I'm going to bend over your other little piece. That's what your final connection should look like. And then it's going to go into here. So you want to make sure that these little flags haven't been pushed in while you're, working on the other bits. Slide it in until it clicks. It's in there tight. Push it down until that's in. So when you put these rubber seals on, you want the collar facing out, because that centers in on that, and that locks in. And that's it. It's made up really easy when you use these pliers. So it works pretty good, and the connectors seem to work. I think my only real complaint is there are just exactly enough metal tines and rubber bushings to make up these connectors. So one of the problems you're going to have, if you're not using equal amounts of varying size wire, you're going to run out of the proper size bushings first. So you always want to make sure you use the largest bushing that you can, because at least in my case, I haven't found anything yet that's actually going to use this blue bushing, because this is the big one, which I think I'm going to wind up running out of bushings before I run out of connectors. It wouldn't matter so much if I was doing a connection inside the car, but this connector here is going to be for an air conditioning clutch, so it's up underneath the it's in the engine bay up near the radiator, so it's going to get moisture up there. So it comes in a nice case. Price is pretty reasonable. I'd say with these things, they work really easy and fast. It's good. So that's my only complaint, that they should have thrown maybe 6 extra each of the rubber bushings and a couple of spare these, because particularly if you're just starting out on this, you're going to mess up a couple of these, and you can unbend them to use them again, but it is really difficult. Because, you know, I'm not, besides being belt and suspenders, I'm also frugal. Um, so, you know, I wouldn't want to have to throw away these really nice connectors because I ran out of these. And I haven't really looked on JEGS. Maybe you can buy extra of those, and if you can, I would buy some. Uh, like I say, that's my only complaint. Really nice carrying case, you know, that they source them out, you know, all good as far as that, and the price was pretty reasonable. That's my review.